Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, I had a good day in class. Talked with my teacher, but since my parts came yesterday, he told me to hold off until Thursday. But shit, I'm ready to get rid of the bumping sound. Been riding with it since I got the car September 26th. I'm ready to get rid of this bumping sound. So, and then that rattle when I'm sitting somewhere idling or at a stoplight, you hear that rattle. Tired of hearing that shit. So, what I'm probably finna do is, I'm on the way to ship these parts off now. After that, gotta stop at the store for my mom's to get gas. So what I do is, go ahead and go to the shop and start disassembling shit, to swap the struts out and whatnot. So take the struts up out of here and go from there. So swap them out. See if they'll probably be like the rest of how I normally see Impala 9C1s, putting new struts on. They squat in the back, sit up in the front. I kind of like that stance for the Impalas, for the 12 pluses. Kind of like it. To what like the Tauruses, police Tauruses, they squat in the front, ass up in the back, face down, ass up. FPIUs, I seen it rarely. I done seen it a few times with Crown Vics, very few times. But mostly with Crown Vics, they normally sit up even. Same with FPIUs, but I haven't seen FPIUs, squatted in the front, like face down, ass up. But mostly when I see face down, ass up, it's mostly on Tauruses. So, that's what I mostly see. Oh, let me hit them up. On my way to the post office now. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna see. I ain't gonna be lumber because I'm slow ass 2020s. 2020, 21s. Like right now, I hear that rattling. That's definitely coming from that right strut. Get rid of that shit. Plus trying to get it ready and trying to get it right to hit the road. Oh yeah, but that's what I mostly seen on those, on the Tauruses. Everything else, I must have seen them sitting up even. Except for them pop. Now the Caprices, they look like they got the face down, ass up look. It's like the front end is maybe like a hairline lower than the back. I seen that on the Caprices. Watch your squirrel. He ain't trying to hit you. You ain't no raccoon or possum, so I ain't trying to hit you. But yeah, so something else I'm about to say. See how that stands look. fuck? Damn, just hit a fucking bottom. But yeah, so just trying to get it right so I can hit this road. So I ain't finna stop and have no combo with him. That motherfucker don't want to talk all day. But anyways, I catch y'all in the next video. As always, like, comment, subscribe.